Welcome. In this video we will see how we can clone a project, and that clone project, if we want to push in our personal GitHub repository, what are the steps for that. I've just chosen one random public repository. So there is a button called code. Here you just copy that https URL, then you go to your terminal, just clone it. The command is git clone, and then paste it the remote URL. Now it is successfully cloned in our local. So the current project is having the remote URL from where you have cloned it. We can verify it. So there is a folder called .git, that is a hidden folder. Here you have that file called config. If you see that file, you will find there is a URL, remote URL, which is configured from where we have cloned our project, but we want to change with our personal GitHub repo. So to do that, we just first create that repo in our personal GitHub branch. Let's name it ECR test. Let's simply create it. So once we create that repo, we have that GitHub remote URL, that repo remote URL. We copied it simply, and the steps which we have to execute are these ones. So basically we have to change our remote URL from the one which we have cloned to the one which we have created now. So this is the command. I just copied it and just paste it here, and that new GitHub repo URL, remote URL, just paste it here. Okay, now you see that if you see the config of .git, you can see it is changed to our personal one. Okay, till this everything I guess clear. Now the last step is to push our cloned code into this newly created repo, right? So the first we have to check which branch currently we are in. So we can check via git branch and -a, that is active branch. The active branch is main branch. Now to push it, we have command called git push origin main. Okay, so here we have that username is your GitHub username. In my case it is this. The password you have to put your personal token. So to create a personal token, you can go to the settings. After setting, you have that developer settings. In developer settings, you generate a token. That token is to authenticate your GitHub account. So it is this token classics, and you just create a new token here. I have already created it, so I am using that one. Just copy it token, and then I paste it here and simply enter it. So now you can see that our clone project has been pushed to our personal GitHub repo. So to check that, we go to the created repo branch, main branch, and here you can see whatever we have publicly cloned in our local, that is now moved into the personal GitHub repository. That's it. Thank you.